Hey there, this is Sunny from Gamerex, and if you are into gaming, this video is something you should definitely watch because among many gaming laptops out there today, I think I've found just the right one. We have seen a number of gaming laptops in the market that are standout design. Some are really thin, some have crazy color patterns, some are tough and bulky. That's because gaming laptops are products of a mix of things optimized for. Talking about optimizing, the new Lenovo Legion Y540 and Y740 are pretty close. At the heart of it, what brings it all together, allowing for the maximum optimization on all fronts, is the CPU, 9th generation Intel Core processor. Let's dive right in. The Lenovo Legion design is the evolution of a laptop fit for gamers of today, housing epic specs in precision cut, all aluminum chassis. The 15.6-inch Legion Y540 and Y740 sports a clean look and both weigh around 2.3 kg. These laptops are engineered to defy expectation and shatter limits. Let's have a look. Intense firefight requires the most responsive control, and the Legion Y540 and the Y740 keyboard deliver best-in-class gaming controls to give you the edge over any opponent. Full size and top of the line, the keyboard delivers 100% anti-ghosting, WASD highlights, less than 1 ms response time, backlighting, and more for ultimate control of your system. The factor I can't stress enough is the processor performance, and the 9th generation Intel Core laptop processors powering this beast exceeds expectation. Packed with incredible performance typically only available on a desktop computer, the 9th generation Intel Core i7-9750 processor delivers desktop caliber gaming that you can take anywhere. With up to 4.5 GHz turbo, 6 cores and 12 threads, Legion laptops powered by these processors have enough power to handle demanding AAA games. Paired with up to 32 gigs of DDR4 true 666 MHz RAM, the system slices through extensive creative work and intensive play. With up to 1 TB NVMe SSD and 1 TB 7200 RPM, storage is speedy and spacious, which means your entire game library can be carried within. And check out the display. Gaming is so smooth and immersive. The 15.6-inch display, the Legion laptops provide a captivating visual experience. The Intel i7 paired with the NVIDIA RTX graphics delivers the ultimate laptop gaming experience to really bring game alive and make it immersive. Need I say more? And how can I forget the thermals? Heat, the nemesis of gaming performance, is no longer a concern thanks to the Legion Cold Front. Cold Front brings the latest features that a dual-channel thermal system can provide, basically enabling you to run your i7 laptop at its best. If you prefer focusing on the game and riding the automated performance, this is definitely for you. I'm talking about taking your gaming to the next level with Vantage, featuring Legion Edge. Spend less time tweaking your settings and more time playing with automated performance, cooling, and power control settings. And it also has overclock support for your Intel i7 CPU and RAM, full RGB lighting control, real-time device performance monitoring, and more, all in one app. I think juggling so many of the gamers' needs while optimizing for each is a total heist that the Intel-powered Lenovo Legion Y Series gaming laptops has managed to pull off. Sleekness without compromising thermals, ultimate performance, optimum portability, all in all, a solid work and play machine that checks all boxes. The Intel Core i7 9th Gen processor in both the variants makes them a fully loaded powerhouse. My bet is that it's only gonna improve. The Lenovo Legion laptop simply makes me smile, and gaming on this system is just a bliss. So this was my review for the Lenovo Legion Y540 and Y740, and with all said, I sign off.